Hey embracers, and welcome back to another laundry motivation video. In today's video I am doing laundry on a Friday because on this particular weekend we were on tropical storm watch. The watch was implemented on the Thursday night. This is the Friday. I didn't go to work because I had plans to go to the supermarket and get some storm supplies. Well, really it was mainly water that I wanted to get because we get water from our refrigerator, so we don't typically buy bottled water. So I wanted to get some bottled water because if the power went out we wouldn't be able to get any water from the refrigerator. And then I don't remember what else I was gonna get, but it was mainly water because we had like 4 parcels of meat in the freezer, and I knew that if the power went out we would have had to cook and eat those, so we'd be like eating baked chicken for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Anyhow, so I got ready this particular day. My stepson went to school and then we found out that they were gonna close early at 12:30. So I got dressed. That's why I look so decent. So I got dressed and said I was gonna stop at the supermarket, do some laundry. The rain was supposed to start on the Saturday night they had estimated, so I said, you know, let me get ahead of this weekend laundry by starting it on the Friday, and then I would just go and get some stuff right before I would pick him up from school at 12:30. Anyhow, 12:30, big and serious, went down to the little town. There was no parking, and there was no parking immediately in front or behind the supermarket that I was going to. I stopped at one that had parking, but they said they did not accept the type of debit card that I was going to use, so I had to leave there. They had parking right in front, which would have been perfect, but them said I'm not take my kind of debit card, so I had to leave. And then the other one, they had no parking there, and there was a plaza across the road that had no parking either. And probably even if they had parking, it would have been difficult for me to walk with the water because I had the baby. So anyhow, left that alone, went down to school to collect my stepson. And then while I was there, I started seeing my... What you doing? Open. You came over here in this hard, rough part of the yard. And we couldn't move because the ground was too hard. And Sparky, look how you're sweating. Look how you're sweating. Look how you're sweating. Look how you're sweating. Yeah, so when I got there, it was early because I had went ahead. I left a little bit before I would usually leave to pick him up because I knew I was going to stop at the supermarket. So when I got there, the school gate was still closed, so I had to park outside and wait. When they finally opened the gate and I was entering the gate, I realized that my oil lamp in my dashboard was on. I had not seen it before. Well, I had been seeing it flickering, but I noticed that it only happened when I was on the break. So anyhow, I decided that I wasn't gonna chance it. Once I got into the schoolyard, I turned the car off and I was just sitting there waiting. And then when he came and I started the car, the light was no longer there. So I just decided, well, I called hubby and told him, and he said, okay, just get home, because he wasn't in the town that we were in. So I just went on home, but in the end the storm did not end up coming as close to us as was forecasted, and this is the storm that we later came to know as Ian, the hurricane that mashed up the whole of Florida. One of my siblings had major damage to his home, but all my family are fine and I'm thankful for that. So yep, and since this video I have done laundry, but it's like every day there's a new tropical depression or something, and like it's been raining every day or almost every day. And even on the days when it doesn't rain, the expected chance of rain is high and the place is overcast and I don't want a chance washing. So Of course, I have to do laundry, but since I did this video, all the laundry that I've done I've not recorded because it's always kind of running against time or running against the skies or some sort of something like that. But anyhow, I decided to add that little story to tell you, because I realized in my last 2 laundry videos I did a lot of talking, and those videos have a really good what you call it, metrics, is metrics them call it. Here I'm showing you how much clothes I got through for this video. So if you have 1 completely empty basket and 2 that's almost empty. As usual, you know, when I'm doing laundry on the weekend, I do some on Saturday and some on Sunday. So this part of the video is going to be showing you what I did on Sunday. But back to the jibber jabber chitter chatter. What was I saying? I don't remember. Yeah, so I was saying that in the last 2 videos I was talking a lot, and I realized that my analytics were all in green, and not just were they in green, but I was having green arrows beside everything. So average watch duration, put it in here. Thank you, good job. High five, high five, high five, high five. Yeah, high five, mommy. No. Impressions, click-through rates, whatever it name, everything had green arrows beside them. So I decided to be chatty in this one as well. If you are still here with me, we are 7 minutes in and we have around 3 minutes left in the video. Yes, I've been chatting for all of 7 minutes. I hope you're still here with me. If you are, please comment a laundry basket emoji down in the comments. If you're new and you're looking at your subscribe and it's still red, that means that you have not subscribed. Please hit, click, tap, whatever it is that you're doing from whatever device you're watching from, and let it magically turn gray. It takes just about 3 seconds of your time and it helps out my channel, so I'd appreciate it if you do, and I'd love it if you come back. I know some of you are not seeing me for the first time, but you're subscribe is still red. Come on, let's fix that. I know how it is because I have people that I watch religiously and I'm not subscribed to them because YouTube keeps putting the videos there. So it's like you just go on YouTube and you're like, oh, a video from this person, and you watch it and you don't realize that you're not subscribed until one day you see and you're like, wasn't I subscribed to this video, this channel all this time? So I understand how that goes, but if you can just take 3 seconds out of your time with me and just look down there, see if the subscribe is still red. If it's still red, that means you're not subscribed even though you've been seeing my videos. So just hit on it, and while you're at it, just hit the notification bell as well. And baby K is saying hi. Say hi. If you make it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for spending almost 10 minutes of your life with me, and as usual, I will see you in another video soon. Keep watching until the end to see my laundry baskets and see how I did with laundry this weekend. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. So if you look at the laundry baskets now, you see that I'm kind of in the same position I was yesterday. Now the dark basket is empty, but the gray basket, which was empty the day before, is now filling up with stuff. And that is it for this video. Bye.